My name is Abhishek Thakur, and today I really wanted to talk to you about one important thing. That is the nowadays generation, they're having a really big problem about that thing. And that is why we are not working that much hard, that much is required. And most of the people, take my words for real, most of the people are not working hard that they should do of our generation. Like, most of the people are having the settled life, their parents are settled, being settled, and they don't need to be that much working hard on themselves. But remember one thing, it is not their fault. It is not our generation's fault that we are not working that much hard. It is the fault of the people, our parents, our relatives, who are pampering us a lot to not earn the money. They started to earn their money at the starting of their younger age, but they're forcing us to go for the earning money after 24, 26, 28, 30. Till then they are saying that we can take care of you. We can take care of each and every requirement from your side. But listen one thing properly, right? If anybody is going to pamper anybody till the 25 years, then believe me, after that even they are just settled. But after that they have to being pampered them and more. And every parents, nowadays every parents are saying to their child that don't go for the work, go for the study hard, do the PhD, do the masters, do the bachelors. I'm not saying that's wrong. That's only okay to do the degrees, to take the degrees and take the masters, bachelors, PhD. That's really cool. Go for that. But start earning money. The biggest problem that I see in the Indian culture, I really appreciate Indian culture and really like Indian culture. But only one thing that I really regret about the Indian culture is the culture of pampering. We always pampering our child. Like every parents I have seen, they want to show other parents how much facilities they are giving to them, how much facilities they are giving to their children. But do you know, my friend, if you are giving facilities to your children, you are spoiling them. Let them see the hard work. Let them see some difficulties in their life. If they didn't see the difficulties, they will reach nowhere. That's true. It's hard, but it's true. Most of the people thinking that by giving the facility and this thing and that thing, we will achieve the most of them. But 90% of the people who get succeed in life just because of they faced a lot of problems in their life. Just imagine a person. Imagine a person who have never seen night in his whole life. He's always being saved. Like before the 5 p.m. he's being stored in a room or being kept in a room, and before 5 a.m. in the morning he's being kept in that room as well. And in the days he's allowed to go outside and watch the real world. But one day, someday, somehow he have to go in the real world. He have to see the night, and that day he will be really frustrated. He will be that much scared that he will not really didn't want to just leave, or he will just opt for something else that I want to just discuss right now. But the same thing every parents is doing with their children. They're doing the same stuff. They're not different. They don't want their children to see the real world. They want them to be comfortable, take their needs, study, and they do this thing, that thing, but don't earn the money. Is it realistic? That you don't earn the money, you will not earn the money, and after 25 you will have a magic stick, and through the magic stick you will start earning the money. Is it possible? No. Do study hard, take your PhD, take your masters, do everything whatever you want, but start making money. Start doing the work. India is having really, there's only one thing which India is missing right now, that is the skills. If you're just going for the theoretical things and not having the practical things, then you're not going to work out that much. It's real, believe me. After 25 years of study, you will try to have the job in which you have to just utilize the study in the theoretical manner, because you learn to have the things in the theoretical. But friends, the much sooner you will start to do work, the much better it is for you. Because your parents are right on their own position, but you have to realize that it is a time. It is a time in which you have to take a step. Start earning. Don't you waste your life. Start earning. Okay? Because even if your parents are capable to take your responsibility for the whole life, it's not your victory. It's a victory of your parents. Parents are giving you facility. That is their victory, not yours. So please, take a step. Start earning money and start making something out of your skills. Otherwise, you will waste 1/4 of your life. You will waste half of your life till the 25 to the 30, and you will get nothing in the next 25 to 30 if you are not working, if you are not doing something practical. Start doing that. That's all I have to say today. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening.